I mean, I never thought I'm one of those people who would rewind and watch an entire couture show again. But well, Rahul Mishra's Paris Haute Couture fall collection really did that to me. It doesn't just feel like fashion, it's like architecture, sculpture, Indian heritage, culture, everything weaved into fabric. For context, anyone who doesn't know, Rahul Mishra is a very celebrated Indian designer. He has done some amazing, beautiful collections. He's brought couture before to Paris, and it has been beautiful. What you're seeing now is Rahul Mishra's Fall 2026 Haute Couture collection shown in Paris. It's called Devi, the Eternal Muse. And the concept is the century old Indian temple sculptures are like stepping out of stone walls and are presented through couture. Okay, now let's watch it in detail. Look at that. Just the opening itself, it opens so beautifully with these arches, which are supposed to be, the temple carvings. Just walking out, you're almost like not on a fashion ramp, you're to a heritage place. Collection, you keep seeing the references to deities. Look at the three heads. I think it's a reference to the deities. Temple sculpture, the sacred architecture, and it's all translated through this couture. Okay, now this is my favorite. I'm gonna stop and zoom in. I'm gonna zoom in and show you because you have to see this. I felt like this specific piece is insane. Yes, it's couture, yes, it's an art piece, but it's also something I weirdly imagine I could be wearing. So regal and contemporary at the same time. I love that he's able to like crack this balance. And these are the arches. So these are meant to be the temple arches. Look at it, like damn, he's done a really fine job. To me, his Paris show felt like an art installation. I think the venue was perfect and what he brought to life was amazing. I mean, Devi is like the divine feminine energy, and I love that Rahul has so beautifully honored it. And it's not like he's recreating history, he's translating it. It's contemporary and while being a little theatrical. Not a lot of pieces are what you would wear, but he's brought heritage to couture. So if anyone who doesn't have Rahul Mishra on their radar, I'm sure everybody does. He is one of my really favorite designers. And this time he really outdid himself. It's something that I've never seen before. Everything that he's done with this collection, it is beautiful. It is architectural. It has structure, yet it moves like a soft fabric. Then Rahul brought the collection to India Couture Week. Where Sobhita closed the show. I mean, our girl walks in like an Apsara. I love this entire moment when she walks back and she takes this, beautiful posture, and then is the best part of this creation. Like, it's so theatrical. They've recreated Shringar. She is dressed, adorned, and then she walks again. So cool watching it. I was like, damn, girl. I don't really comment really quickly, but when I saw it, I was like, damn, girl. I think it's definitely worth your time to watch this collection. That's all for now. Subscribe for more.